This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Exceptional value for this 3-bedroom/3-bath home in community with Gulf access boating. Community boat ramp and fishing dock along the 10 Mile Canal with Gulf access through Estero Bay near Lovers Key. Enter your new Florida home into a 2-story living and dining room. Rear kitchen has a newer fridge and has access out to your screened rear/side deck with steps down to backyard. New roof in 2012. Master suite and second bedroom, bath on first floor and a third bedroom, bath upstairs/loft area. Launch your boat from the community ramp, relax at the community pool or catch fish right from the community pier. Highly desirable location in southern Fort Myers right off Island Park Road. This home is offered furnished as you see it and is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.